Abandoned forms can really hurt your bottom line, causing you to lose leads and maybe even revenue. But that ends with Gravity Forms. It's not uncommon for visitors to abandon a form before actually submitting it. With the Gravity Forms Partial Entries add-on, you can easily capture email addresses from these partial form entries and then quickly follow up with them to re-engage those individuals. Hey, this is Sarah from the Gravity team, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how using the Partial Entries add-on can help make sure you never miss any potential revenue. Let's get started. To follow along with this video, you'll need to have Gravity Forms installed and activated already. And if you need a written guide to help you out, check out our blog article linked in the description. So let's get started. Head on over to the Gravity Forms add-on browser in your WordPress dashboard and install the Partial Entries add-on. Then you can either create a new form or select from your existing forms. Once you've done that, navigate to the form settings. Select Partial Entries, then tick the Enable box to enable the collection and storage of any partial form entries. You can also customize the warning message that appears at the top of the form. This will tell the users that their information will be saved even if they don't complete the form. If you only want to collect partial entries when certain criteria has been met, like when an email address has been entered or something like that, you'll want to enable conditional logic. Here, I'm going to set my conditional logic to only process this feed if the email field contains an @ symbol. Then I'll save my settings. You can view all the partial entries for your form right in your WordPress dashboard. Simply select your form and then select Entries to view the data that's been collected. Now, we do want to note here that the Partial Entries add-on does not allow users to resume a partial entry. It only allows you to collect the data they entered. However, you can always go back into the form settings and enable the Save and Continue feature if you do want to give those users the option to resume filling out your form at a later time. That about wraps it up for this video. For more guides and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. And until next time, thanks for watching.